Ordering a pizza. Hello, Pizza Pronto. What's your order?
Hello. I would like a big pizza and a small one, please.
No problem. Which ones?
The large one with the vegetables only, and the small one with anchovies.
Our vegetarian pizzas are the Pomodoro and the Vivaldi. For the anchovies, we have the Del Mare that comes with anchovies, olives, artichokes, tomatoes, and pesto.
I did not look at your menu. A moment, I will look on your website.
Okay.
So, okay for the Vivaldi in large size and the Del Mare in small.
Delivery or takeaway?
Takeaway. How long before they're ready?
The waiting time is currently 45 minutes. Do you want drinks and desserts? The family menu includes 2 large pizzas of your choice, 4 drinks, water, beer, or soda, and 4 desserts, €50 in total.
Oh, yes. It's interesting. I have changed my mind. I would rather order the family menu.
Which drinks do you want? For desserts, we have chocolate cakes, fruit salads, or chocolate vanilla or strawberry ice creams.
2 sodas, 1 orange juice, and 1 beer. And for dessert, 2 chocolate cakes, 1 fruit salad, and 1 strawberry ice cream, please. See you in 45 minutes then.
Wait, I need your name.
Of course. My name is Mary. Thank you.
You are welcome, Marie. Enjoy your evening. Dentist appointment.
Hello, Mr. Diane. Enter. Please sit down. So, what brings you here?
Hello, doctor. I have a loose tooth. And it's been a long time since my last dental scaling. So we can do a little routine check.
No problem. Sit in the chair, please. So, which tooth is bothering you?
This is the molar here on the right.
I see. Yes, indeed. Does it hurt?
Not really.
We will start with descaling, because there are plenty of deposits. I will see more clearly.
Okay. Is it painful?
No, do not worry. Everything will be fine. Here, done. Rinse your mouth.
Ah, I feel much lighter.
I do believe you with what I removed. By the way, this loose molar? Well, it was the calculus, I think, that was peeling off. I'm going to hit it. Feeling something?
No, nothing. It does not move anymore.
Here you go. Otherwise nothing to say. Your teeth are healthy. No cavities. But remember to come back every 6 months for your descaling.
Yes, promised. Shopping. Well then, daughter, what do you need?
I need a new pair of ballet shoes and a dress for school. A training outfit, too.
All this? I do not even know where to buy those. I really wish you had waited for your mother's return for this shopping trip.
But she won't come back before 3 more days. It's too long. I cannot wait, Dad. Can I take the blue shoes?
You take what you want, as long as you take it quickly.
Which outfit do you prefer? Yellow or green?
The yellow one. So we'll see you at night if you ride a bike, and you will be safe from accidents.
Ugh, you really have no fashion sense.
Really, darling. For the dress, Don't you prefer to wait for your mother to come back?
I have nothing to wear. Let's go to this little shop where Mom buys all my clothes.
Did you see the price? Children's dresses take less fabric than adult dresses. I thought the prices would be proportional.
Don't worry, I'll pay you back.
With the allowance I'm giving you? Currency exchange. Hello, I have dollars and I would like euros.
US dollars or Canadian?
US.
I need your passport, please.
Here it is. I have $300. How many euros will I get?
That will be 256 euros and 34 cents. To that, we subtract our exchange commission, which is 10%.
Exchange commission?
The fees.
Okay.
So it will be 230 euros and 71 cents for you.
Thank you.
And here is 50, 100, 150, 200, and 230, and here 71 cents.
Can I get 1 euro note instead of all those coins, please?
The 1 euro banknotes do not exist, sir. There are notes of 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 euros. Rarely 500 euro notes, but remember to check whether they're real. Everything smaller will be in coins.
Oh, I did not know about that. And why are these 2 coins of 2 euros different?
They are euros minted in different countries in the European community. This one is a German coin, and that one is an Italian coin.
Oh yes, but I will only stay in France.
You can use them throughout the Eurozone. It does not matter which country they come from. These are euros.
In the United States, all our banknotes look the same. At least with euros, there is a lot of diversity.
You'll get used to it. Don't worry.